Okay, if you were given a link to schedule for a meeting or a remote session, the link should bring you to something that looks similar to this. This is one for a 1 hour web admin virtual meeting. Now, there's going to be one presenter, which would be myself, and there could be 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 admins on the other side, the clients that want to join. And the best case for that is for them to get together and pick a good date and time that works for them, and then they can come in here and have one person schedule, and then that person can send the invite link to everyone else. So basically, you're just going to come in here and look for some dates and times that are congruent with your schedule, and I'll just pick this one. And you're going to want to enter your name and your information, and then click schedule appointment. And it's going to give you this an email probably also with this meeting link. So of course you're not going to join right now. You're going to wait until the time of the meeting, right, a few minutes before. But if you do click it, well, let me go back. Let's see. You should be able to copy this meeting link. Now you may have to do this. You may have to highlight it and copy it. I don't think you can just right click it and copy it. And then you can give that link to all of the other people that are going to need to be in that meeting, and they can join a few minutes before, just like that. Or really what they need is this meeting ID. And I can give that to you if you have any trouble, and issue that out to anyone that needs to be there. But that's how that works. And it'll give you that link. And then you're good to go. You should get emails. You may even get some notifications, and it'll put it in our system, and we'll be glad to assist. Hope that helps. Thanks.